The Minnesota Timberwolves are celebrating some major moves Thursday, including a trade bringing point guard D'Angelo Russell to Minnesota. The Wolves posted a video Thursday showing Russell arriving. We have a link to that in the CBS Minnesota article if you want to check it out. The trade agreement sends Andrew Wiggins to the Golden State Warriors. The Warriors are now sending Jacob Evans and Amari Spellman to the Wolves. And according to CBS Sports, Golden State also picked up a 2021 first round and 2022 second round draft pick in that trade. Katie Johnston for WCCO 4 News.